Hey guys, welcome back to YouTube. I'm Healthy Living James and I'm here with Instant Brands showing you how to make quick and delicious simple recipes. This is my third Flexitarian recipe, cooking in a Vortex air fryer or Instant Pot. Wherever you're watching around the world, I hope these recipes inspire you into the kitchen. Let's cook. So today we're going to make crispy falafels with a Baba Ganoush dip. Great thing about this is we're going to cook it all in one instant air fryer. This one's got 2 drawers, so we can cook the falafels on one side until they're crispy and soften the aubergine on the other side. Bring it together at the end and you've got delicious falafels to dip into that Baba Ganoush. So firstly we're going to make the falafels, so we're going to add 1 can of chickpeas to a food processor, 1 finely chopped red onion, you could use a white onion here if you want to as well, a handful of fresh coriander, 2 garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin and a pinch of chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and lastly a pinch of salt and pepper. And just pulse it until a nice texture forms. You might need to take the lid off and scrape down the sides so you get a consistent mix. Now we're going to simply add the falafel mix into a mixing bowl. We're also going to add half a can of sweetcorn and 30 grams of plain flour. I'm using a gluten-free one, but you could use a standard one. And now we're simply going to mix that together until you have a sticky consistency. So we're going to pull out drawer 1 and simply roll our falafel mix into balls and place straight into the drawer. Now for the Baba Ganoush, we need an aubergine. We're going to slice that down the middle. And Baba Ganoush is actually incredibly easy to make and a lot faster in an air fryer as well. Now we're going to place it into drawer 2. Right, so now we're going to turn on our air fryer. The great thing is we've obviously can set 2 different temperatures on either side. So we're going to turn the falafels on to air fry, temperature 205, and set the time for 10 minutes. And then on the aubergine, we're going to set that temperature to 190. So the great thing is you can cook 2 different sides at 2 different temperatures, 190 for 10 minutes as well, and press start. So this recipe was requested quite a lot on Instagram. People wanted to know how they could reduce their oil when making falafels so you didn't have to deep fry them. This is a much healthier and faster way of making delicious crispy falafels. Right, so we've taken the falafels out the air fryer just to cool down. Meanwhile, we're going to scoop out the aubergine that has cooled down slightly to make the Baba Ganoush. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of tahini, which is a sesame paste, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 3/4 a juice of lemon, 1 garlic clove, and a generous pinch of salt. Now we're going to place the lid on the blender and blend until a smooth consistency. And you can see it's delicious and creamy. We're just going to scoop that into a bowl. Now for the best part, grab one of those crispy falafels, give it a good dip in that Baba Ganoush and tuck in. Lovely spice to those falafels, crispy, and that Baba Ganoush just pairs perfectly. Right, so that's the crispy falafels and Baba Ganoush done, cooked all in the Vortex Plus air fryer. Full recipes down below. I'm Healthy Living James and I look forward to seeing you for a Flexitarian recipe next week.